I have a hard time finding a good shampoo. One that will deliver moisture and shine without drying my hair out. Hydrating Cream Hair Bath is the most luxurious shampoo you'll ever use. The combination of coconut oil, avocado, manoi, and tamanu help deliver the optimum hydration to your hair. When cleansing your hair, you want to use a dime to nickel size amount depending on how long your hair is. For me, a dime size amount usually does the trick. Add water to your hands and emulsify the cleanser into your hands, and then add to your scalp in mid-shaft to ends. It has the most amazing scent. With sage and vanilla, I am awakened in the shower every time I use it. You may be new to using natural hair care, so the very first time you use it, if you do not get enough lather in your shampoo, just do another shampoo, and that will help to deliver that rich lather that you're looking for. Once you have finished shampooing, you're going to rinse your hair thoroughly. You're going to leave a lot of water in it to help spread all of the conditioner through and deliver ultimate hydration. Hydrating Cream Conditioner is my favorite conditioner in this line. On soaking wet hair, you're going to want to apply 1 to 2 pumps. This product is super thick, so a little bit's going to go a long way. Sometimes I like to do a very small amount in small sections, and then I work my way around the entire head of hair. I love it because it adds so much moisture to my hair. So many times I have dry, frizzy hair, and this helps to tame those flyaways down. This product is going to make your hair feel super hydrated. It delivers so much moisture and shine. I can't tell you how much I love my hair.